Alright, if your browser feels slow, laggy, yeah, that's frustrating. The good news? You can fix it. In this full guide, I'll show you how to speed up Google Chrome so it runs smoother and faster, step by step. First, too many open tabs can slow everything down. So yeah, close the ones you're not using. Next, check your extensions. Go to the extensions page and remove anything you don't actually use. Now clear your browsing data. Cookies and cache can build up over time and slow Chrome down. Go into settings and make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. This lets Chrome use your device's performance better. Make sure Chrome is up to date. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Try to use only essential extensions. The fewer you have, the faster Chrome will run. If things still feel slow, you can reset Chrome settings. This removes unwanted changes and restores default performance. Also, disable background apps in settings if you don't need them. They can use memory even when Chrome is closed. Sometimes, just restarting Chrome can improve performance, especially after long usage. And yeah, that's how you speed up Google Chrome. A few simple tweaks, and your browser will feel much faster and smoother.